Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Boolvideo, a free AI power tool that can automatically create and edit videos for you in minutes. So let's see how AI can do all the hard work for us. But first, let me introduce you to Boolvideo. It is an AI video creation platform that turns text, ideas, or topic into finished video automatically. And it can add stock clips, transitions, subtitles, and even background music all in one click. So to start, you can just go to the Boolvideo and create a free account using Gmail or Google account. And you can just create the AI video. So I've already have this generated
Five best free AI tools that make five best free AI.
And if you want to create your own, you can just go to on the dashboard. You can go to this one, script to video or idea to video. So after that, you can just adjust the ratio and click on generate, and that's it. So that's how you can create a professional AI video with no manual editing and no timeline stress. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.